Hey guys, so I'm on my way to Oakwell and it started pouring down here in the 401. It's raining heavily. Pretty much the visibility is zero. I'm not sure if the camera is doing justice, but I would definitely not recommend driving in these conditions. It's extremely risky. Stay safe out there. It's raining. Do not try to get out and drive. I was actually going to bike. I'm on a biking adventure, but well, it's raining. I don't think I can bike today. It just continues. Let me switch on the emergency lights just to make sure I'm safe. Oh boy, this is storm. This is really heavy. I have the emergency lights on as well, just to make sure people behind me and in front of me can spot a vehicle. Oh boy, this is. Stay safe out there when you're driving. Make sure the emergency lights are on. Make sure you have enough room between vehicles. And be extremely slow. My speed limit, the speed limit is 100 and I'm going in 40 with the emergency lights on, just to make sure I'm safe. And there's absolutely zero visibility in front. Stay safe out there, guys. I just thought to make a quick video and just give you an insight about how things are here in Toronto when it rains. And this is the 401, mind you. I might actually take the next exit and make sure I'm safe, and I'll drive only when it's safe out there. I might just take the next exit, the Jane Street exit. I have my bike mounted on the vehicle as well. It was a beautiful sunny day and it started all of a sudden, and it's peak summer, so you know what, it's crazy. I mean, you cannot ask for things to get worse on a Sunday. I can see everybody has turned on their the emergency lights on, so people can spot. And I would highly recommend just parking, just taking the immediate exit when such conditions occur, and make sure that you're safe before driving. I also see some accidents to my left. Be safe out there, guys. Just thought I'd make a quick video. Take you through things here. I'm taking the exit here. Stay safe, guys. Bye bye.